Inventory control, also called inventory management, is the process of ensuring that the right quantity of goods is available within an organization. With proper internal and production controls, this practice ensures that the company can meet customer demand as effectively as possible. To meet this demand, the Excel Coaching Group developed the Stock Control Worksheet, which allows you to register all the actions that have been carried out of the stock, containing essential fields to be filled in, and can give a better management in the decision-making in stock management. Much more than having an organized physical space, this control allows to optimize the tasks of the entire structure of the company, and thus bring countless advantages and benefits. Controlling stock means managing an important part of your assets. Besides representing an essential strategy for business operations. These operations can be complex, especially if there is more than one distribution point. However, failure to do them or doing them inadequately will lead to small errors that can be costly. This is why the use of the stock control spreadsheet is so important, since it will bring this possibility to organize and manage the available and future stock, besides analyzing the past stock, to determine future projections. This was our Stock Control Worksheet. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.